Got it here a couple more vintage wire cutters this time. Opens this way. Look, there's a little lockout here. Boom. And it opens up all the way. Looks like there's a spring kind of came out, and look at that. Lots of pull over here, and these handles are on purpose this way in case you need to cut through the fence and things like that. Very cool. Then folds right here, folds this way, and then you plug it in right here so they don't just come off by themselves. This is very vintage, over 50 years old I think. So let's open this up, and this one's you open all the way around this way, and look at that, you have plenty of leverage to cut to whatever. Comes with a little handle OP. That's cool. I really like that one a lot. So whenever you're done with it, just flip it over. Boom. Size wise, I feel like this one a little bit skinnier, so it's better, and because this has folding handles this way, so I feel like there's a little bit more leverage. But yeah, both very unique vintage tools right here.